Hi, today's another revision session. The last lesson of the week. So you've already done one activity out of your textbook, the questions 1 to 8 and question 10. Now we'll see how much of that you can remember. So try this without the aid of your summary books, textbook. So remember, we are marking our attendance. So it's lesson 3. We go to lesson 11. So remember, we did this lesson previously, which you had to submit. So today we are working on this one here, 3.2 acid reactions review questions. So click on that, and I would always save straight away to your Google Drive. And when you look at that file, as you can see, it's straightforward, multiple choice questions. There are about 15 of them. They're straightforward. So mark them just by highlighting using a highlighter. So obviously there you go, highlight. So for instance, highlight that one, and that's your option. Okay. And then say maybe do question 1. Um, Remember, there's the equation. Do you know which side's the reactant, which side's the products, and so forth? These are a little bit more interesting, but just remember the Fred Flintstones. We have single displacement, double displacements, and that sort of thing. So you should be able to work out that obviously we have an acid plus copper, an acid and a metal. So what should go in there? There's your acid. What's the metal? Just very straightforward. So you should do those and a little bit more again about understanding the structure of chemical equations. So you can actually type all your answers in there, then save it to Google Drive. Later on, I'll message you or email you the answers so you can check for yourself. So then don't forget the other thing. So some still have not submitted. The other one was this one here. Remember, it is just simply that standard 5 steps. And here you were told what questions to do. And in this document, you would save to your Google Drive and then uploaded it. Of course, you would upload it via the class page. Some of you keep still not too sure. You always just simply go down there. There it is. So we did the question 3.1. We're now doing questions 3.2. As you can see, I only have 16 out of 27 students. So please make sure you get that done. And that's it for the final lesson of this week. Next week, we'll be starting the next section on a very important chemical reaction.